Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode problem number 1, add to sum in JavaScript code. Before we solve the problem, subscribe to my channel and for solutions, follow me on GitHub TINU GALA. There will be LeetCode question and answer repo. So let's start. To solve this problem, we are going to make an variable toSum and going to run a function with the parameters of nums and target. Nums will be the array given to us, and to achieve the target we are going to solve the problem with two for loops. First for loop we will run with the ith index, and the second for loop will be the jth index, that is I plus 1. We will go to the nums.length, and to check the condition we will use if condition, that is nums of j plus nums of I, that is equal to target. If we achieve the target we will return the indexes of I and j. In the first example we got 0 and 1 as an output, so 0 is 2 and 1 is 7. 2 plus 7 is target, we have achieved 9. Example 2, 1 and 2 is the index. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. In third example we got 0 and 1 index, that is 3 plus 3, we have achieved the target 6. And the time complexity will be for this solution is O of n square, and the space complexity is O of 1 because we are using one variable. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.